dried shrimp egg. Ingredients: eggs, pumpkin, dried shrimps, preserved radish. Diced spring onion. Peel pumpkin and remove seeds, then sliced. Stir-fry onion white. Add dried shrimps. Add preserved radish. Add pumpkin sliced. Add 2 tablespoons water, simmer pumpkin until softened. Add salt, chicken powder, and pepper powder to taste. Add egg liquid. Stir fry once egg is solidified. Stir-fry pumpkin and egg with dried shrimp is done. Vientiane, dried shrimp stir-fry pumpkin tastes so good. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. If you like cooking, then you may want to follow my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Eating pumpkin often helps to lose weight, and pumpkin is rich in pectin. Pectin has good absorption properties and can bind and eliminate various bacteria, toxins, and harmful substances in the body, so it can play a detoxifying role. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.